Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm showing you how I make blackeye cake or Chinese cake as we call it in Guyana, or Chinese cake. So the first thing you need to do is to prepare your dough, your pastry dough, and I would leave the link to the full video down in the description box, just fast forwarding to show you the process of how the pastry dough is being made. So the next step is to wash and soak your blackeye beans. I soaked mine overnight so that it could be quicker to pressure, because I pressured it in the pressure cooker, and then I'll have to process it in the food processor so that it can turn into a smooth paste. After turning the peas into a paste, we'll need to cook it on the stove for a bit. So we have our paste, our sugar, butter, some fruits, black cake coloring, essence, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Add your butter to your pan, and please do this on low heat so that you wouldn't burn anything up. When the butter starts to melt, you add your blackeye paste and then just mix it around a bit. Next goes your sugar, nutmeg, and cinnamon, and then you stir it around. You let this cook for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, now we add our essence and the black cake coloring along with the non-alcoholic fruits. We're gonna mix it around to make sure that everything is incorporated and we're satisfied with the color that we have. You're gonna cook this for another 5 to 7 minutes. You would know that it's finished cooking when you see that it's separating from the pan. When you mix it around, you see that it's separate, and then you take it off and leave it to cool. Now it's time to prepare the dough. You can flour the surface just so that the dough will not stick to it, and then you are gonna take a circular object and cut the dough into how many pieces you're able to get. I was able to get about 17 using my circle, so just roll it out to about 1/8 of an inch, and then if that is too thick for you, you're gonna just roll it out thinner before you add the filling. Keep making the circular pieces until all of the dough is finished. So I'm going to take about a scoop of the filling. Well, as you see, my circles are very small, so I'm going to roll it out a bit more, and you can make this as thin as you want. Some people like it thin and a lot of the filling inside, while some like it with more of the pastry and less of the filling. You make it however you feel, but I'm going to add about 1 scoop of filling, which is about 1 tablespoon, and you're gonna see you just pull it in to make like a pleat so that the bottom can be sealed. And there you see I added 2 first, and it's too much, so I'm gonna take it out. You don't want to overfill it because you'll get a hard time to seal it at the bottom. So I'm gonna do one more for you to see how exactly it is done. So you take your dough piece and you're gonna roll it out again to the size that you like. Then add 1 tablespoon of filling. Gather the edges and pinch them to seal. I would pinch it and then I would pat it down. Then you turn over, pat it down some more, make it a bit round, and then you just press it down to flatten it, and that's how it looks. Gather to the bottom. Pinch to seal. Press down, turn over, make it circular, then pat down so that it can look like that. So now I'm going to take some water and some yellow food coloring, and I'm going to just mix it up and apply it to the top of each cake. This could also be done with egg wash, or if you want you can do it with milk and the food coloring as well. Pop it in the oven, and about 15 minutes in I will take them out, and now I would place a red dot using food coloring on each of the cake. This bakes at about 350 degrees for about 20 minutes or 25 minutes. When you take them out of the oven, you can just shake the pan, and once it comes loose, you know that it's fully cooked and it's ready to go. So now I'm gonna break into one, and you see how lovely it is inside there, and it's well tasting, and I think that the fruits give it a nice taste. The fruits that is added to it, just try it if you never did. And this is the Chinese cake recipe, guys. Lovely stuff. Thanks for watching. Hope you do try the video, and please remember to click the bell and subscribe and like and leave a comment.